Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to PDF signature verified in mobile. First, you need a PDF viewer application installed on your device, such as Adobe Acrobat Reader or a similar tool. This application allows you to open and interact with PDF documents, including their digital signatures. Open the PDF you wish to verify. The viewer will typically display any embedded signatures prominently within the document. Once your PDF is open, carefully navigate through its pages to find the digital signature. It usually appears as a visible seal, a small badge, or a designated area on the document, perhaps on the final page. Many apps will highlight this area, making it easier to spot with a quick glance. Tap directly on this visual representation of the signature to initiate the next step. After tapping the signature, a context menu or information panel will generally appear on your screen. This menu provides crucial options to inspect the signature's details. Look for an option explicitly labeled Validate Signature or Signature Properties. Tapping this will prompt the application to perform a quick check, usually taking only a few seconds, to determine the signature's authenticity and integrity. Upon completion of the check, the PDF viewer will display the verification status. A green checkmark or a message stating signature is valid indicates that the document is authentic and unaltered. If you see a warning or an invalid signature message, it means there might be an issue with the signature itself or that the document has been changed after being signed. Always review any accompanying details to understand the specific reason for an invalid status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.